A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my science online class. So today we are going to start a new chapter from your science book. The chapter is chapter 7, all about plants. So all of you open your books, page number 53. See, all about plants. Introduction number 1, classification of plants. Plant system. Number 3, root system, shoot system. So in this chapter we are going to learn these topics. Okay, let's start. Classification of plants. When we look outside, we see different kinds of plants around us. So if we look our surrounding, we see many types of plants, many kinds of plants. Plants vary in size and shape. Some plants are very tall, some are very short. They are different in their shape and sizes. Okay, plants like rose, jasmine and guava, which bear flowers, are called flowering plants. Plants which bear flower and from where we can see that flower blooms, that are known as flowering plants, like rose, jasmine and guava. Plants like ferns and mosses which do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. So underline these two sentences. Plants like ferns and mosses which do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Plants that do not bear any flower, that known as non-flowering plants. Okay. Plants can also be classified on the basis of size and type of stem. Based on this classification, plants are of 3 types. Based on the size and type of stem, we can classify plants into 3 types: herbs, shrubs and trees. These are the 3 types which is classified on the basis of size and shape of stem. Okay, remember this. On which basis the classification is done, you have to remember. It can further be classified into creepers and climbers. See, what is herbs? Herbs are very small and soft plants, usually less than 1 meter in height. Herbs are less than 1 meter in height. They have green, soft and flexible stems. Herbs are very small and soft plants and they have height of less than 1 meter. Okay, and they have green, soft and flexible stems. Examples of herbs are coriander, mustard, wheat, mint, etc. So these are the examples of herbs. Okay, remember this. Shrubs are small to medium sized plants, usually under 6 meter height, having hard stems. So shrubs are medium sized plants. They are larger than the herbs and smaller than the trees. So this is, you have to remember that shrubs are small to medium sized plants, usually 6 meter height, having hard stem. Shrubs has hard stem. Difference, see this difference. Herbs has soft stem but shrubs has hard stem. Okay, they are woody plants with short stem branching out near the base. They are woody plants with short stem branching out near the base. Stems come out near the base. Examples of shrubs are rose, lemon, jasmine. So this is very common plants. And the shrubs, examples of shrubs are rose, lemon, jasmine. Okay. Now see trees. Trees are tall plants more than 3 meter height, having a hard brown woody trunk. The plants which have more than 3 meter height are placed under these types trees. Okay, they have hard brown woody trunk. These plants do not have branches near the ground but only in the upper part much above the ground. So in case of shrubs we have read that the shrubs has branches near the ground, but in case of trees, see, the branches are not near the ground but only in the upper part much above the ground. Okay, the branches we can see much above the ground. Trees have a long life. Examples of trees are mango, neem, teak, banyan, people, etc. So these are the example of trees. Okay, see, creepers and climbers. You must have noticed that there are some plants which cannot stand erect and spread on the ground, and we can see that some plants cannot stand erect, they spread on the ground, সিহঁতে মাটিত বগাই যায়. These plants are called climbers and creepers. They are different from herbs, shrubs and trees. They are different from herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay, creepers are plants like watermelon, bottle gourd and pumpkin which cannot stand erect because their stems are weak and spread on the ground. So creepers, examples of creepers are watermelon, bottle gourd and pumpkin. We know their stems are weak and they spread on the ground. Climbers are plants which take the support of other trees to climb. Climbers means to climb, so they take help or support of other trees to climb. Okay, examples of climbers are peas, grapevine and money plant. So money plant, we can observe money plant everywhere. Most of the houses, most people have money plant in their houses. So in case of money plant we have to give them support to climb. Okay, so these are the example of climbers and creepers. This is pumpkin, creeper, this is climber. Okay, now say activity 1. Take a walk to a park near your house. Study the different categories of plants. Note down the detail. No need to go to a park near your house. Just you observe what you have in your house, what type of plants you have in your home. So observe that and write here. This is your homework. Okay, write the plant name which you have in your own house. So students, it's your today's class. Hope you all understand today's topics. Now read these topics and send audio clips to this group. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.